Okay guys, went to Tractor Supply today and got some bolts. What did I just do with the old bolt? I don't remember, but anyhow, I got some new bolts. So, I wonder, is this plate offset? Plate looks centered to me. I believe that one started in. That started in. Now the originals are 3/8. The ones I got are 7/16 headed bolts. So the other thing is, I don't know if these things are going to be too long or not. I might have to put a washer under them, or I might not. The way it's looking right now, it's looking like I probably won't. They were really close to being the same length as the original. I think within a thread or so. Put that down. Actually, I don't. These new plates seem like they're a little, or this plate seems like it's a little chintzy to me. Oh no, I guess that's the way it looks. It's new and shiny. I can always make it better though. So, like I mentioned earlier, I'll tap this bushing down in. What happened to the old bushing I had? That would be good bearing tapping material. What did I do with it? Oh, I thought I took that out right here, but I don't know. This is going to end up putting a nick in this. Don't like it. Don't like it. Need to sand the shaft, actually, is what I need to do, I think. It's hot on this side, near as I can tell. It did move when I tapped it. I already see what's going to happen here. Bearing is going to spin inside the housing and stay stuck in the shaft, perhaps. The other trick is, I know you guys can't see this. There ain't nobody over here holding the shaft centered. There we go, now I got it. Got it started down in there. Like I said, not the suggested method. And I know I'll get a comment about it. Beating on a brass bushing with a flat-headed screwdriver. You know? You guys would come here and do it for me, I might not have to do the shade tree stuff. Make a workaround of my old parts. And like I said, the only thing I wished I would have greased these bushings before I put them in, which there's nothing saying I can't take this back apart and do that off camera, but the main thing I want to see is I want to see if this here starter still works. So we're going to see the jump box is off before I get carried away. And we're going to ground this to here. And then I'm going to make sure you guys are still in frame. Not quite. I think you guys can see it turning there. I'm going to reach underneath you guys. It works, but it's super tight. I kind of figured the way it was acting. So I'm going to take this thing back apart, and I'm going to grease up the bushings. Let me see something. That's spinning alright in there. The bushing's staying still. I want to check this back one. This back plate didn't seem like it went on to me. I wonder if it does need rotated, say 180, and that's why it's binding. So anyhow, I'm going to check into that off camera, and if I find something I did wrong, I'll let you guys know. Okay guys, I took it apart and I greased the front bushing and the back bushing here, and I got no ground right now. Everything seems alright to me. I'm gonna be honest though, I don't really like the new cap in the back. The reason I don't like it, I don't know if you guys can see here, but see how this tab isn't down here? Right here. And on this side it is. I thought maybe, let me double check this again once on camera. Maybe the cap's not quite centered, and that's why it's doing that. But I kind of played with it some, and didn't seem like it went any better. Oh, I think I just got it to go there. So never mind what I was saying about that. I just need to pay more attention. And that was probably causing some drag too, because it would be kicking the whole Bendix to the side. I mean, it's not perfectly down. I don't know if you guys can see the air gap or not. You guys even looking at me? You're in the far back. Hopefully you guys can see there's a little tiny bit of an air gap in there, but for the tractor this is going on, which this is going to go on the 1963 L8, the Phoenix, which is going to be converted back into electric starter. Why? Because I don't feel like pull starting anymore. At some point in time I had a gear for this floating around too. I'll have to check that out. But anyhow, got, like I said, the new starter chain to go on it. And I'll put a plate on the tractor and we'll be good to go. So, thanks for watching guys. That's everything I know to do about rebuilding these Gravely starters, other than putting the gears on them, which not rocket science there. I mean, from the factory they have a roll pin. I've been using them snap over clips lately. If you squeeze them just a little bit and oval them, they'll snap down over the gears. So, like I said guys, thanks for watching. I'll see everybody on the next one. Later. Okay, it's a little dark over here. I know I'm in the dimly lit cave part of the storage facility. But, got the starter on. I charged my jump box last night. It was dead when I went to try it. See what it turns over like now. I don't have the gas on or anything. It's out of gear. I just want to see if it turns over. It works. That's about as good as you get out of this jump box on an L. Not really enough cranking amps. It's only 350 and it's kind of old. So, alrighty guys, that'll work. So I'll Really didn't want to wire up a battery and a switch and everything, but I might try to here. I know I got some switches handy because I was messing with the electric start cart project. And there's some cables floating around here. It ain't the right cables, but this tractor is not anything special. I really need to adjust the fan belt on this too, but as long as it spins the belt while it's running. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. There's a rebuilt starter for on the Phoenix. So, later guys.